How to fix Apple Store billing problem? Well, in order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to the App Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and then head over to your account at the very top. Now you will need to enter the password of your account. Once you have entered, it will be landing you on this page. Simply move into Manage Payments at the very top. It will show you all of the payment method that you have added to your Apple account. If you are facing the Apple Store billing issue, then try removing the payment method that you have entered and then re-enter it. Make sure that all of the detail of the card or the payment method is correct and valid. But if you're still facing the issue, then the next thing you want to try doing is try to restart your device. Most of the time, restarting your device has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. That's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.